Methods for getting pink lips naturally in your own home. It is only to be able to easily enhance your beauty by creating a beautiful smile too. Among the how to perform this really is with pink lips. Indeed, many people are certainly not lucky enough to have naturally pink lips instead of getting lips which are pale in addition to dark, which isn't attractive. Furthermore, dark lips can occur due to various reasons including damp temperatures, contact to direct sun rays from the sun, low bloodstream circulation, stress, neglecting to get rid of lipstick, using inferior low standard, smoking habits, applying enough chemotherapy, fluoride, eating tobacco, illness, ignoring weather, to improve your health, a fired up lifestyle and more. It's in addition ought to be noted using the vital importance when you would like your lips to remain naturally pink, you need to provide them the right care. It's happy news of having to pay money for purchasing pricey products. It is because you will find plentiful of home cures for pink lips in your kitchen area. Apply cucumber juice. Another essential method to reduce any darkness in your lips is to use a little bit of cucumber juice. Just slice a cucumber, rubbing it upon your lips, allowing the juices to soak on. Observe that should you choose this for 5 minutes regularly, you are able to lighten dark lips to some beautiful pink color. Combine honey, almond oil, and sugar. Now another perfect remedy would be to amalgamate sugar, honey, plus some quantity of olive or almond oil. Make use of this for your lips, massaging it set for 10 minutes. Scrub with toothbrush. In addition, should you desire smooth lips, you should use your toothbrush every night after brushing the teeth. You simply scrub the lips by using it, make certain it's so feet bristled. In addition to this could get rid of the chapped, dry skin that forms around your lips, which makes them look fresher.